Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Terry Clark, aka Papa 51. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I had to make this quick video. I just got an email from Luke McGuire. If any you guys know about Luke McGuire, his software is phenomenal, and he's just coming out with another blockbuster for Instagram. It's called Engagermate. It's a brand new software on steroids, and folks, this is a blockbuster. I had to get this video out right now. Usually don't do it in most of my videos back to back, but this one this got my attention. It's gonna get yours. If you have an Instagram account, I have one, but I haven't got grafted yet. I'm finding out it's just more than just putting up images. It's about branding yourself, branding your product. You can just about sell anything on Instagram and get followers, but sometimes hard to engage and get followers. You understand what I'm saying? Luke had made this so easy that a child can do it. You just plug and play, put software and hit push, and let the software do the work for you. Let's unpack this. I'm very excited about this one. Let's go ahead and unpack this right quick and get this thing going. Have your Instagram accounts has likes. Commit, engage with your target market 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Start seeing new likes, followers, get leads, traffic, and sales coming back to you from day one. It's just that simple, folks. Just that simple. Number one, you connect into your target market, hashtag, and your competitor's name. Two, you then select. Select if you want to like photos, follow a user, or unfollow inactive user based on the information entered in one step. Three, engage. Hit start, watch your Instagram account like and follow with users under your hashtag and your competitors followers are 24/7. This is 24 hours, 7 days a week, folks. The pre-launch date is April 29th. That's just saying you need to be getting in there. You need to be in there, getting in software. And it actually launched May 1st. So, you want to be in on the ground floor. So that's why I always say, if anything you want to join and get into business or training or whatever it is, you want to be on the ground floor. And you need the information super fast before everybody else get in there. Everybody and their grandma will be in there, so getting that information and already be ahead of you. This is awesome, folks. And I always wanted to find, I never did, like I said, get my hands on, really grasp the Instagram. I heard about it, understood it, but, trying to just put up, brand your product, I made trial, I made some errors, trying to get information, trying to find courses on it, but everybody would give me the pieces that I need, were just bits and pieces, and you had to try to put it together yourself. But this software eliminates all of that. Luke McGuire has come with another blockbuster, folks. You know what I'm saying? You got to get this software. I'm just not talking. I'm going to jump on this anyway because I'm always want to add tools to my arsenal to make my business grow and gain trust with my customers and expanding my business and getting leads. You got to be in one place, folks. You got to be all over the internet. You got to be all over the place. Facebook. You got to be on Pinterest. You got to be on Instagram. I mean, you got to be all over the place now and engage people now. Just like when you're doing YouTube and your videos. Whether you want to be behind the camera or in front of the camera. I was kind of shy with the camera thing, but I'm trying to make those changes. That's what I'm talking about. Growing first. Let's finish unpacking. Let's see. My computer's just been acting so crazy. What has just happened here? Okay, here we go. I'm sorry, folks. It's just my new computer and everything. Here we go. Don't even worry about that. It's had nothing to do with you. Okay, direct messages. These are the features. And welcome to the message feature. Engagemate allows users to send users an inbox of their choice that to choose the moment they follow their profile. This is the first tool ever to allow this. Okay. As artificial intelligence learning, Engagermate actually tracks where your fans come from, allowing you to engage with the content that your customers actually are. You heard that? Wow. Okay. Live growth notification. Engagemate shows you in real time your growth, engagement, and reporting of what your market actually is doing with your profile. That is awesome. So you want to try to figure out where folks coming from and all this stuff. Why this engaging them? You don't know where they're coming from, where they live, or whatever. You know, the country and all this extra stuff. Okay, let's go down a little further. Has a mobile app integration. Unlike any other bot using, not to say white hat methods, Engagermate integrates with Instagram through Android and iPhone apps first before connecting to our cloud system. And that's another thing. This is a cloud system, so you got to take all this space up on your computer. You got all this other software and everything. Then why keep on adding some more software, eating up your memory? Cloud-based. This is the power of the internet. Okay. Not only meaning Engagermate is 100% within Instagram's terms, so you won't get banned. You know, you don't want to have a nice Instagram account you just put up, then turn around, use some illegal black hat software, and you lose your account. We're not trying to do that. You know. Okay. And only engagement is 100% within the Instagram terms, but also that users can actively change and view their engagements and view real-time stats of their process. Okay. Then you have once you get there, once you sign up, or just say okay before you sign up, you can check out the more features with this video here about, how the software engages, interacts, gives you the ins and outs of everything, or what's going on with your Instagram account, so you can make those adjustments. It's a wonderful video, just 9-10 minutes long, so you understand what you're getting into and what you're purchasing. This is awesome. Luke McGuire come up with this is a blockbuster on steroids. I don't care what anybody says. This is the best software I've seen, and there's a lot out there talking about how they engage Instagram and Facebook, all this stuff. But some of this software can get you banned. You got to be very careful with your account. And of course, the return of some of the engagements favorite functions such as. Okay, let's open this up a little bit more. Okay, here we go. Okay, multiple ways to connect. You can use the profile, location, and hashtags to find your audience, and will automatically interact with you automatically. Stop following automatically. You do not get caught by Instagram limits of 7,500 people. That I have heard that they do have a limit you can follow. Engagement is no longer automatically followed for you. Okay, interacts with Instagram without you having to be connected. Engagermate accomplishes the interaction, reaching your target audience. Okay. Leverage your results. Engagermate helps you improve the reach and return of your hashtags. So whatever hashtag you put in, it maximize that, you know, and it helps you to engage better. Profiles and locations do not waste time on what's not bring your results. You see, do not waste time on what does not bring you results. That's what it brings you results. Okay. Send automatic messages. Send automatic directs with welcome. Personalize information about your business to your new followers, creating even closer relationships with them. You're building a relationship, folks. That's the one thing about you're having a business and you are on these social networks. You have to engage the people. You just can't go sell this, buy that. You got to have a conversation like we're talking now, not per se, I'm doing the talking, but if it was just me and you sitting at the table or whatever, we're having a conversation, personal conversation, you know, interacting with one another, you know. Then somewhere down the line, then you can present what you have to offer because people know you now and trust you. Okay? Interact with potential customers only. If you do not want to follow and enjoy a company's profile, just activate the commercial filter so you can attract more profiles of potential customers. So you're not limited. Listen, folks, this is an awesome software for Instagram. You know, everything's in there in the software for you to automate everything, folks. Everything. Nothing is left to chance. You know, the launch date is in May 1st, but you want to be in there getting this software now. I'm going to leave a link at the bottom for you below this video in the description box. Get in, folks. Get this software. If you're on Instagram and you want to build your followers, build your brand, or you're just starting a business and you're trying to figure Instagram out, you don't have to do that anymore. The software is going to do everything for you. And the video I just showed you will show you how the software works and how easy it is for you to get your business up and running, get more sales. I don't know what to say, but I had to get this out right quick so you guys have this information about Engagermate, which is a nice name for the software. You know, this is by Luke McGuire. If you know him, you purchased some of his software before or you haven't. Check this out, folks. Get it while you can, or for when everybody else does. The link will be at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like I said before, this is this channel about I take criticism too. I take whatever the comments that you have to say to make me better, you know. And this is how it's supposed to go. This is how we interact. Check the software out. The link is in the description box. If you like this channel, you know, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or whatever. Enjoy your day, and see you next time on the next video.